I will have finished my homework. I will have finished my homework. I will have eaten breakfast. I will have eaten breakfast. I will have read a book. I will have read a book. I will have written a letter. I will have written a letter. I will have watched a movie. I will have watched a movie. I will have played football. I will have played football. I will have cleaned my room. I will have cleaned my room. I will have washed my hands. I will have washed my hands. I will have opened the door. I will have opened the door. I will have closed the window. I will have closed the window. I will have visited the park. I will have visited the park. I will have traveled to Kabul. I will have traveled to Kabul. I will have learned English words. I will have learned English words. I will have studied my lesson. I will have studied my lesson. I will have listened to music. I will have listened to music. I will have sung a song. I will have sung a song. I will have cooked dinner. I will have cooked dinner. I will have drunk milk. I will have drunk milk. I will have eaten rice. I will have eaten rice. I will have met my friend. I will have met my friend. You will have played cricket. You will have played cricket. You will have read the newspaper. You will have read the newspaper. You will have written notes. You will have written notes. You will have studied hard. You will have studied hard. You will have cleaned the house. You will have cleaned the house. You will have called your brother. You will have called your brother. You will have visited your uncle. You will have visited your uncle. You will have learned a new word. You will have learned a new word. You will have bought new clothes. You will have bought new clothes. You will have traveled by bus. You will have traveled by bus. You will have eaten fruit. You will have eaten fruit. You will have drunk water. You will have drunk water. You will have opened the book. You will have opened the book. You will have seen that film. You will have seen that film. You will have played games. You will have played games. You will have drawn a picture. You will have drawn a picture. You will have painted the wall. You will have painted the wall. You will have fixed your phone. You will have fixed your phone. You will have visited the market. You will have visited the market. You will have watched cartoons. You will have watched cartoons. He will have finished his homework. He will have finished his homework. He will have eaten his lunch. He will have eaten his lunch. He will have read this story. He will have read this story. He will have written a story. He will have written a story. He will have gone to school. He will have gone to school. He will have studied his lesson. He will have studied his lesson. He will have sung a song. He will have sung a song. He will have drawn a picture. He will have drawn a picture. He will have cleaned the board. He will have cleaned the board. He will have washed his clothes. He will have washed his clothes. He will have played football. He will have played football. He will have opened the shop. He will have opened the shop. He will have closed the shop. He will have closed the shop. He will have listened to music. He will have listened to music. He will have drunk tea. He will have drunk tea. He will have bought a book. He will have bought a book. He will have traveled to India. He will have traveled to India. He will have visited the zoo. He will have visited the zoo. He will have fixed the car. He will have fixed the car. He will have painted the door. He will have painted the door. She will have cooked food. She will have cooked food. She will have eaten an apple. She will have eaten an apple. She will have drunk coffee. She will have drunk coffee. She will have read a novel. She will have read a novel. She will have written a poem. She will have written a poem. She will have sung a song. She will have sung a song. She will have played the piano. She will have played the piano. She will have drawn flowers. She will have drawn flowers. She will have cleaned the kitchen. She will have cleaned the kitchen. She will have washed her hair. She will have washed her hair. She will have opened the window. She will have opened the window. She will have closed the door. She will have closed the door. She will have bought new shoes. She will have bought new shoes. She will have painted the wall. She will have painted the wall. She will have studied English. She will have studied English. She will have learned the lesson. She will have learned the lesson. She will have traveled by car. She will have traveled by car. She will have visited her aunt. She will have visited her aunt. She will have cooked dinner. She will have cooked dinner. She will have watched TV. She will have watched TV. We will have finished our work. We will have finished our work. We will have eaten lunch. We will have eaten lunch. We will have studied English. We will have studied English. We will have written letters. We will have written letters. We will have sung songs. We will have sung songs. We will have drawn pictures. We will have drawn pictures. We will have washed our hands. We will have washed our hands. We will have cleaned the class. We will have cleaned the class. We will have traveled by train. We will have traveled by train. We will have visited the park. We will have visited the park. They will have played football. They will have played football. They will have eaten mangoes. They will have eaten mangoes. They will have studied math. They will have studied math.